back outside again. Wanted to make sure that we had enough storage for everything that we wanted to bring with us. So I've attached these boxes underneath to the C-channel of the bottom of the bus. It's made with angle iron for each leg and the rails. And they're attached with a 1/2-inch bolt, grade 8, 2 of them for each one. So they're very securely attached and they're not going anywhere. And I faced it with metal so that we could paint it and it would look halfway decent. It's big enough for the two of us to easily lay down in. You can tell just by how far my arm goes in there, how deep it is. Got to have your toys if you're going to go have fun out there. And then of course that piece just kind of slides right back in and latches in place so that it doesn't look funny with a big white, big open spot. This is our water fill, just like a regular RV water fill. Well, we've got our tree of life, the earth, and shout out to Mike Hauser. There's our 200 gallons of water and our filtration system, some extra parts, our generator, air compressor, camping tools, and then those big bins that you saw right before we turned the corner all stack up in here and get latched in. Propane, hot water heater, more tools and camping gear. And there's the still exposed, lovely looking spray foam. That's the prettiest part of the bus right there for sure.
Well, thank you.
Absolutely. Underneath you can kind of see real quick if you wanted. That's more of the exposed frame of how the boxes were made before they got woodened in. And this is probably it's about to get fixed. You can see all the way underneath there's a cardboard box that holds my soon-to-be new gray tank. If you guys are going to hang anything underneath your bus, make sure you hang it close enough up front, because when you go over some big bumps down here, you will hit some serious drops. And I've warped this back and forth a couple of different times, fatigued the metal. It's a testament of how well I hung it up there that it didn't come off, but it's lifted up the ass corner of the bus quite a few times going over some of those bumps.
Well, thank you.
Absolutely.
Nice bus.
Thanks, man. Have a great day.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.